Chiang Mai Destiny Tribe. Well, we are walking to a place called Vegan Heaven to have breakfast. Have a look at the outside of the old city wall, this beautiful river. Let's enjoy this sunny day in Chiang Mai.
Our way to the temples. So for Chiang Mai and exploring the old city right now, we decided to do it by walk because everything is really nearby. Disney boy doing the... So everything, it's quite nearby. Apart from the sun, there's no difficulties at all to do it by walk. So let's see how tired we get. Of old Chiang Mai.
Wat Chet Luan. I was trying to figure out how to fill the blank space at the envelope, and then I realized that I was reading Chinese instead of just check the one in English. My Mandarin is still good, huh? Ooh.
I will write down in this envelope all my name and zodiac and year and time of birth and address, and then you can put some donation inside, and then somehow it's good for your astrological sign. I don't really know how, but I'm trusting it.
We went off Wat Chet Luan. Sorry if I'm pronouncing the name of the temple wrong. And a few meters away, there's another beautiful temple. Soul's Vegan Kitchen. There is this awesome thing in Chiang Mai that when you check the road at the maps, they give you the road between these small alleys that the city has, and some of the alleys are very charming. They're very beautiful. This one, no, something construction here. But it's close to the river, So you walk by, you see a beautiful coffee and say, okay, let's stop here, have a tea, and after keep going.
For detailed information about everything you saw in the video, make sure to check the link below to our blog. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more of Chiang Mai adventures. Bye!